Hello again. Once upon a time stories from Leicester Libraries Neighbourhood Services. I'm Hema, and the story I'm going to share with you today is about the bird garden. Once upon a time, far away in the palace, there lived a king. And the king had an old poor man visiting with a bird. Something like that. A blackbird. And the king looked. Are Buddha? You bringing me a blackbird? Look at my garden. Beautiful birds I have. This blackbird. But your majesty, this is a special bird. Are they a special bird? No way. Take it away. But your majesty, please, keep it for a week and then you will see what I mean. Keep it for a week? Ha! You think I have got time to keep it for a week? Well, but the king decided I will. What can he do? Because the old man kept begging and begging and begging. So, of course, he kept the blackbird. Every day, the Raja would go and see his beautiful peacock and the owl and of course the firebird and the rainbow bird, and he would be so pleased with them. He loved them to bits. But the blackbird, well, oh no. But you know what? The blackbird was special. Do you know why? Because the blackbird could speak the Raja's language. And the other birds, when they found out, they were angry. Please teach us to speak like the Raja, because soon enough is the Raja's birthday and we want to speak to him in his language. Well, thought the blackbird, should I? Ha? Kinna. Ha? Kinna. But the blackbird did. So he would go and teach the birds to speak. Well, time went by and soon enough it was the Raja's birthday. Well, that day Raja woke up early in the morning and he couldn't wait to go and see his beautiful birds. Of course, off he went. The first bird he saw was the beautiful owl. And he looked at the owl and the owl said, "Tui-too. Oh Raja, tame kewa jana pada cho." What? What? Said the king. Oh, so the owl thought, oh, the king wants me to repeat it. Oh Raja, you're so fat like an elephant. Buddha! Off with that bird! And the owl flew away. And since that day, the owl doesn't come in the daytime. It stays awake in the night because he's so scared of the Raja. So off he went. He went to the rainbow bird, beautiful as can be. The rainbow bird was so pretty. The Raja went up and he said, "Good morning. Oh Raja, tamara kapda kewa gandhai." The Raja looked. What? What? Oh, he wants me to repeat it. Oh Raja, your clothes are so smelly. Take him away, said the Raja. That's it. What a horrible day to my birthday. Well, I better go and see my favorite bird. Of course, you know who that is, don't you? The Pretty Peacock with his beautiful feathers. Off he went and he looked. And of course, the peacock does his dance, doesn't he? And the peacock goes, "Te-hoo, te-hoo, te-hoo." Well, he better have some good news for me, thought the Raja. And the peacock cleared his throat. And you know what he said, don't you? Don't you? Oh, Raja, તમે તો કેવા ગંધાવ, તમે તો કેવા જાડા છો, તમે તો કેવા બુદ્ધુ છો. Now, Raja was not happy. What? And Peacock dared repeated. Do you know what he said, don't you? You are so smelly, you are so fat, and you are so silly. Off with his feathers, said the Raja. Well, he took all the feathers and he took them in his palace and left them there. What a day! Raja was really upset. That's it. I'm not having any party. I'm not having any guests. No way. Then the Maina bird, the black bird, went up to the Raja and said, Oh, Raja, go away! Oh, Raja, please. No. Raja, Ekwa, just once. Please, please, just once. I have a message for you. He said, please. Well, what can go wrong, thought the Raja. He hit his head. Okay, go on then. And the Raja sat down. And this is what the Maina bird said. Da 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 la 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 la. And the Raja looked, his eyes and his face and his smile. Again. Janmadin Mubarak, Janmadin Mubarak, Janmadin Mubarak Raja, Janmadin Mubarak ho. Again. Happy birthday to you. Come on, join in. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raja. Happy birthday to you. Said the Raja. Oh, my. Hey, take it easy. You might squash me. Oh, you are the best thing. The old man came to collect his bird, and the Raja said, wait. No. That bird will stay with me in my palace. And since that day, the Maina bird stayed with the Raja forever and ever. And in return, the Raja gave a beautiful bracelet to the old man. Well, so if you enjoyed that story, why don't you go and share it with somebody else? Until next time, happy birthday! Have a great time!